The new bar exam format, which is expected to be implemented in 2026, will significantly reduce the scope and depth of legal knowledge and skills assessment. This will have negative consequences for the quality of legal education and practice, as well as for the protection of the public interest. One of the main changes in the new bar exam format is the decrease in the number of subjects tested, from 12 to 8. The new exam will no longer test conflict of laws, family law, trusts and estates, or secured transactions. These are important areas of law that affect many people's lives and rights, especially in today's complex and diverse society. By eliminating these subjects from the bar exam, the new format will create a knowledge gap among newly licensed lawyers and undermine their competence in handling various legal issues and cases. Another major change in the new bar exam format is the integration of multiple-choice questions and essay prompts into one set of questions based on a fact pattern. This will reduce the number of questions and the time allotted for each question, which will limit the ability of test takers to demonstrate their legal analysis and reasoning skills. The new format will also reduce the weight of the performance test, which is a practical simulation of a legal task that requires research, writing, and problem-solving skills. The performance test is a valuable measure of how well a lawyer can perform under realistic conditions and expectations. The new bar exam format will place more emphasis on testing foundational concepts and principles, FC&P, and foundational skills, FS, than on testing substantive law and applied skills. While FC&P and FS are important components of legal competence, they are not sufficient to ensure that a lawyer can effectively represent clients and serve the public interest. Substantive law and applied skills are essential for understanding the context, nuances, and implications of legal problems, and for providing accurate, ethical, and professional legal services. The new bar exam format will fail to measure legal competence in a comprehensive and rigorous way. It will lower the standards of legal education and practice by reducing the incentives for law students and lawyers to acquire a broad and deep knowledge of the law and to develop their critical thinking and communication skills. It will also compromise the protection of the public interest by allowing unqualified or underqualified lawyers to enter the profession. The new bar exam format will not promote diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI) in the legal profession, but rather undermine it by eroding the quality and integrity of legal services.